Now, before we start the tutorial, we need to understand the simple objective of this video is to learn how to make an artistic sketch in just under 15 minutes. So let's start by placing an image here. By the way, I have downloaded this image via Pixels. I will mention the download link in the description for you to practice on the same image. Let me rename this layer by double clicking on it. First, let's make a new layer above it. Let's name this layer outline, because using these outlines we will color our subject. So what we are going to do is make an outline of each element of the subject, like outline of hairs, hands, eyes, nose and lips. Before starting with the outlining, we need to make sure that our brush size is small, maybe around 10. Make sure the foreground and background color is black and white. Now select the outline layer and let's first make the outline of hairs. Press P for pen tool and now start making outline for hairs. You don't have to be precise in this, just make the outline smooth enough. When you have made the outline of hairs, select the option stroke path. Make sure the stimulate pressure is off. What this step did is it created a brush stroke out of the path we made via the pen tool. Next step would be to outline each and every portion of face. Alright, I'll fast forward the video now. I'll slow down on the eyes as that is slightly difficult to make. For facial features, I will reduce the brush size around 6. Alright, now let's move on to the more complex part. Alright, so outlining the whole image is done now. Now we need to add colors to the elements of the subject. And for each element like hairs, eyes or lips, we will make a new layer for each of them. So let's start with coloring the hairs first. And for that, select the outline layer first. And then select the magic wand tool either from here or directly press W on keyboard. Now just click on the hairs and it will automatically select everything inside those outlines we created. But as we zoom in, we see that it still hasn't selected all the pixels of the image. So we are going to expand this selection. So click select and then modify and then expand. Now I'm gonna expand it by 1. Now we are going to select the color of the hair by pressing I. Now select the hair layer and press G on keyboard and then simply click on the hair. Now make another layer and repeat the same process again. Just remember, select the outline first and then select the layer you want to add color, just like I am doing it. Now don't worry if it looks weird now, because it will look perfect in a minute. Now make a copy of the original layer and push it to the top. I'm going to rasterize my layer first and then press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus U on keyboard. As you can see, our picture is black and white. With the top layer selected, go to Filters and then click Filter Gallery. There are plenty of filters here. I really encourage you to check them all out, but for this image, just select Cutout. Now change the blending mode to Multiply. As you can see, the colors just kicked in. You can see the detail, it turned out just perfect. As of now, your image is complete, but I am going to add some more filters to it. The eyes just look so good, don't you think? So now let me show you more artwork made by the same technique. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial. This is me, One Ashish from Darklabsindia. You can also visit my Instagram page at the rate oneashish, and there you will see a variety of artworks made by myself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Darklabsindia.